Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change font style on Android device. So, guys, if you want to change the font style, so guys, if you want to change the, if you want to change the font style, firstly you have to go to settings. Then scroll down here. We have an option of a display and brightness. Okay, on this section, just again scroll, and here we have an option of a font. So just tap here. Now these are all the font, and just select the font which you want. By the way, I'm selecting this one, Black Warrior. Now tap to downloading. After that, guys, just click apply, and that is it. And as you guys see, the font is now completely changed in my device. Let me show you first. See, this is how we can change the font style in Android device. So that is it, guys, about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.